My design is that of a belt sander. Here we can see the final design. Using a pulley system driven by the motor, the rollers turn the sanding belt, allowing for the buffing and polishing of various materials, including metal and timber. Removing the sanding belt and the backing plate for said belt, we can see a belt slacking mechanism is included in this design. Here we can see the pulley system in motion. The pulleys transmit the power from the motor into the rollers, which in turn causes the belt sander to rotate. The belt slacking mechanism can be seen in operation here. As the operator twists the knob protruding from the side of the design, a nut on the other side of the rod translates along its axis, providing a moment to the lever. This lever presses against a slider connected to the floating roller, causing it to slide in and out. Once the operator has to change the machine's belt, they must simply twist this knob to slacken it, remove the side plate and reload another belt. The majority of the components in this design consist of polypropylene, a hard thermoset plastic often used in industrial power tool housings. Also included in this design are 4 rubber feet, keeping the machine in place as it sits on top of a workbench. All components were fastened together with set screws and tapped holes. The large flat plate at the top of this explosion is a backing plate to the sanding belt, providing resistance to the operator's force as they press any objects to be sanded against the sanding belt. This plate also helps keep dust and chips out of the belt slackening mechanism. The transmission of this design is actually very simple, only consisting of 2 spur gears providing a torque ratio of 1.67. This simplicity allows for easy maintenance and repair. The transmission outputs 3050 RPM, in and around the standard 3000 RPM of most belt sanders. Along with this, it outputs a constant 1 Nm of torque, which is adequate for this application. These gears are enclosed in an acrylic box. This keeps the gears safe from dust during operation and increases their lifespan. The lid of this box can be removed by unscrewing the 4 screws on the top.